If you're getting into carpentry or framing walls, knowing what a bottom plate is and why it matters can totally save you headaches down the road. So, the bottom plate is basically the horizontal piece of wood that sits right at the base of your wall frame. It anchors the whole wall to the floor and keeps everything steady. When you start putting up studs, the vertical pieces that make up the skeleton of the wall, they rest on this bottom plate. Usually, if your bottom plate touches concrete or a slab, it should be pressure-treated wood to avoid rotting or moisture damage. Make sure you nail or screw it down securely because a loose bottom plate can mess with the whole wall's stability. Also, double check for level before attaching the studs so your walls aren't crooked. Take your time measuring and cutting the bottom plate. Accuracy here makes everything else easier. And if you're working on exterior walls, sometimes a sill plate goes under the bottom plate for extra protection and insulation. One of the biggest mistakes people make with bottom plates is using untreated wood when it's in contact with concrete. That leads to rot and structural issues fast, so always go pressure treated in those cases. Another common slip-up is not fastening the bottom plate properly to the floor, which can cause the wall to shift or bow. Using strong anchors or bolts fixes that. Thirdly, ignoring checking if the bottom plate is level before installing studs creates crooked walls that mess with doors and windows later. Use a level and adjust as needed before moving on. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid resource for homeowners looking to connect with trusted local contractors who really know their stuff. For contractors, it's a great way to find new projects and build a reliable client base without all the hassle.